Stop wasting time searching for your favorite shows. The 2026 Sling TV update is here, and I'm going to show you how to master the new interface in under 2 minutes. I'm Roberto from System Sleek Guides. Today we're cutting the clutter and tailoring your TV experience. Let's dive into Step 1. Step 1. Managing favorites. Navigate to your grid guide, select the channel logo, and hit that heart icon. This pins your must-watch channels to the top of your list instantly. Once you've hearted your channels, toggle the favorites filter at the top. Now you only see what you actually pay for. No more scrolling through hundreds of options. Now for the biggest update of 2026, hiding free stream. If you're tired of those free ad-supported channels cluttering your premium lineup, here is the fix. Step 2. Go to guide options in the top left and select hide free channels. This instantly wipes out non-subscription content, giving you a super skinny bundle view. Step 3. Using genre filters. From the guide, press left twice on your remote. This opens the category list where you can filter by sports, news, or movies in one click. Selecting sports updates your grid to show only the big games. It's the fastest way to find the action without browsing the entire channel list. Finally, Step 4. The new minors profiles. This 2026 update finally gives parents granular control over what the kids can see in the guide. Step 4. In settings, designate a profile as a minor and set your rating threshold. The grid will automatically hide any content exceeding that rating, including unrated on-demand traps. Pro tip: if you're on a high-performance device like Fire TV, check out the new multi-view. You can watch 4 channels at once and toggle the audio by simply highlighting the window. And don't forget the date jump. Use the drop-down in the top right to skip ahead up to 8 days. Perfect for scheduling DVR recordings without manual scrolling. To recap, favorite your channels, hide the free clutter, use genre filters, and set up your family profiles. Your Sling interface is now optimized for utility. Customizing your interface is the best way to get the most value out of your Sling subscription. These steps apply to your own account and your own device only. For more professional tech guides and the latest interface updates, subscribe to System Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto. Thanks for watching, and stop wasting time scrolling.